in South Africa, GPUs bigger and bigger. Some can go to 4, even 4.5 slots and be over a foot in length. It was mostly thought to be for fitting them into it might be dangerous. Due to sagging, yes, support your beefy GPU.
Removing GPU sag is important, but these long ones do have the potential to sag themselves a bit. They even have screw holes perfectly placed so you can just screw it right on there. And horizontally mounting it, I would probably just go with the motherboard sag bracket option, but
I understand you guys find this funny. Yeah, what's the thug shake and why do people keep asking you to do it? Man!